Hello guys, welcome back to AA Gaming. Today we are back in hill climb racing. Yeah, it's mine. Yeah, we are going in. It's mine. I have a bad feeling about this race. Yeah, type AA Gaming in the search box. Don't type AA Gaming. You'll get nothing. No Among Us. Not even this video. You'll get it. Somebody has a Lamborghini, which I'm almost about to get. I'm very ow! No, damn it. Hey, how did that guy? No, that was cheating from the Lamborghini. Yeah, that was cheating from the Lamborghini. You even saw that in slow-mo. Slowly. Oh no! No! I'm losing this. I cannot win. I'm not winning. You know what? How do you think I will? I am the dumbest hill climb racer in the whole wide world. Yep. Even I will. Yeah, look what I'm doing. I lost the first two. And I'm trying to make a comeback by winning the last one. And I think it's the last one. Yes, it is. I still get third place. But that's not what I wanted. Interstate Cup. Okay, now I can use the Superbike because it looks cool when it's interstate. No, what is that? I don't care. Oh, look at that torque. This guy is showing amazing performance right now. No! Yeah. That will happen. Yep. This guy's bike, I don't think so it's very nice. A bike. What do you mean, low fuel? Okay. Again we are going back in the same way. Thank you for that perfect start. That perfect start did something to me. Yeah, Leon died. Oh no! Yeah, I lose with 0 points. No, I get 1 point somehow. I got 1 point somehow. Yeah, there was a commercial break and I paused it right in time. Now the green cup. Please do something. Yeah, the supercar, the sports car has to do something. The alien, Mr. Run the Scumbag. I don't even know him. Bro, these guys are pros. No, these guys are hackers. I'm just a pro. Hill climb 2 versus SBC. SBC takes that overtake at the last second and runs obviously takes the overtake. At least I did not lose by driver down. At least I finished the race. At least I finished the race. Now this is going out of control. The worst race in my life. I'm still second. Oh, I'm first. First right now. And there we go. I'm second again. Yep, I'm second again. I'm third again now. Second. Yes! Yes! Oh my god, that's 100 millisecond difference. Somehow I just got him. Look at that! Look at that! Let's go! Now I'm in third. I need to at least get third in this. Otherwise I'm losing my winning streak. SBC and Hill Climb 2 and me also. No, this time, no, I'm not there. I'm not there. They just abandoned me from this amazing battle. Not very amazing, because looks like SBC doesn't stand a chance now. Did I say SBC doesn't stand a chance? Okay, now Hill Climb doesn't stand a chance. Because I got second place. I got third place. I wasn't crying there, so the Marshland Cup. I have a bad feeling about this good part. Let's just remove this, put this, remove this, put this. Now that looks durable. If you look closely, you can see that guy is shivering inside that car. Yeah, the same joke as last time. No, don't come back. I'll flip you over this way. Mission to space. No. Oh my god. Yee. Try that. Just spam it on the sports car or any other car. It will even work on this. Yeah, it will work on any car. Start. This might be a lifesaver, this roll cage. Come on. Come on, Bombastic. And by the way, I never told you my name was Bombastic in this game. Today I'm gonna change it into AA Plays. No. Yeah, perfect. Yep, I finished it on low fuel. Just 3 tired alligators. I'm gonna make a comeback. I am going to defeat you like this. Because I lost in the last one. Anyway, I got third place in the last one. I get a smooth overtake there, but now they get a smooth overtake here. Can I get another one? Yes, I can. That wasn't very smooth though. That wasn't at all very smooth. Yes, I finish it off in a wheelie. Finish it off in a cool wheelie. By the way, it's still, I don't know, 12:31. Oh no, I forgot to get that perfect start thingy. But don't worry, I'm lucky because nobody got it. Why is that other sports car named Kingsley85? And he just overtook me like a piece of cake. And I overtook both of them like a piece of cake. My hill climb skills have come back. No. It hasn't! And I'm still second. And I still get first. Yeah, that's Kingsley, guys. Thank you for dying. For now. Okay. Yeah, very nice. And I promised you guys that we'll go to adventure. I don't think so. I told you, yeah. So we will be doing adventures today. You've never noticed it. Ignore that ad, okay? I'm not gonna retake the whole video. That's cool. New wheels. Heavyweight. I just won the roll cage for the Superbike. Yeah, as you can see now, there's something called adventure. We're going to forest on the Superbike. Skip. Drive as fast as you can. Okay. I think so. The Superbike hasn't went that far in this game. This adventure thingy. It hasn't. Superbike racing with the Superbike is kind of weird looking. And there we go, I broke my front part. Okay, he died there. I died there. Okay. I died like right after he died. Okay, I'm going countryside. Not on you, not on you, not on you, not on you. On you. Wait. If I go here, is there a roll cage? No, there is no such thing called a roll cage for a Superbike. I haven't seen something called a roll cage on a Superbike. Okay, should I put the wheelie boost instead of this? I feel like I should. I actually feel like I should, yeah, done. Because the wheelie boost is kind of cool. Oh my god, the Superbike is fast! Very fast! Have raced on the Superbike like this. Oh yeah, my last Superbike race on this, the front thingy yeeted off. Impressively, mine hasn't. Yeah. Ow. These things are painful for Superbike bikers. Superbike bikers. Oh my god! Oh, savior. Not savior, I saved myself. Oh no! I am not racing with the Superbike in my life ever again. Come on, this is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Till now. So right now I'm gonna go with you. No, skip. Oh, I have raced with my MK. Yeah, I remember I have raced with the MK in here. Yeah, if you want to see that hill climb racing 1, then just comment it on my video. If you want to see hill climb racing 1 on the channel. Yeah, just ignore all the songs going behind. Yeah, it stopped. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, in there, the MK is like the worst car in the whole world. I have been there. It's the worst car in the whole world. Really the worst. Very bad. Okay. After I die here, I'm ending the video. Because look at that bombastic going in front of me. He is just zooming away. Wait. Have I reached the hill climber here? Like the normal first car that you get here? Okay, that's cool. Okay. Nice. Oh my goodness. This guy, oh. Ow. Rollcage did not do any help for me till now. Like, this is hard. But this torch can stand anything. And also this car has went above 3000 meters. That is the longest I went in my life. Ow. Perfect. Yeah. We need torque and speed here now. What the hell? Okay, I thought you did not need to take reverse there, my guy. Still this guy is overtaking me. I don't know how my guy is doing it, but I do not complain. Yeah, I think so the fume boost was needed in adventure. And in that hill climb racing 1 is kind of boring. Cause like you don't get to race with anybody. It's just like free rides. But it keeps on getting harder as you go. It's like there's only these adventures. Only adventures. There's no cups or anything like that. There I go, I die. No. That was something that a huge favor that the rule kids did to me. I am almost to 2000. And there we go, the roll cage is gone off, and now I have very less chance of winning against him because I still have 1,000 more meters to go, which is not very easy. Not at all that easy. Faster! Oh! Good, that speed was needed. Really needed. Yeah! Ow! Bro, isn't his neck gonna break while driving? Yep, I finally overtook Bombastic 2. Actually, I am Bombastic 2, so I overtook Bombastic. I am so close to defeating that Bombastic 1. No, 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 no! Right as I told it. Yep, I'm ending the video there. And I'll see all of you in the next video as I watch Bombastic go in front of me like I am the worst player. And also, if you see in that share photo, bro's actually spraying some. I did not meant to share it. I did not meant to share it. Yeah. So he is blowing some carbon on me. So I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.